In this example, we'll take a look at how to turn your meeting notes into actionables using mirrors. So here we have the WorkFlowy for a satellite company. They've taken some very important notes today, something about researching antenna issues. This really looks more like a to-do item. So instead of just leaving it here in the meetings bullet where it might get lost forever, and we might never take care of this, we'll go ahead and actually create a mirror, and we're going to mirror it into the projects board where the company likes to keep their to-dos. So we'll just paste it in here. We'll open it up, and as you can see, we've got a couple of different items that we need to take care of. I'll add another one here. So let's say we want to also check signal strength. After we do that, I'll go ahead and assign it as well. Let's say I want Martin, the engineer, to take a look at that. So when Martin comes and checks this, or if he's got it mirrored someplace else, he'll be able to check it. Let's say that he marks this as done, marks this as done, and adds a little note here. All okay. Perfect. So basically, whether I like to check within the projects board under the to-do list, or I prefer to refer to the meeting notes, any change that we make, thanks to mirrors, is always going to stay up to date. So you can mirror this in as many places as you want, share it with as many people as you want within the same WorkFlowy document, and it's always going to stay up to date. So this is an easy way to turn those meeting notes that might otherwise just stay inside a meeting bullet and turn them into actionables, projects, and goals.